Medicine used to play defense. You got sick, doctors reacted, end of story.
Stay back, you germ!
Well, what now? Bed rest and chicken soup? I suppose. Now, biology itself is becoming editable. Cells behave like programmable factories. DNA looks less like destiny and more like code. And suddenly, science is flirting with the ability to redesign health at its roots. Sounds futuristic. It's already happening. Four big forces are driving this biotech surge: advanced mRNA therapies, CRISPR gene editing, animal-to-human organ transplants, and hyper-personalized medicine. Together, they promise longer, healthier lives and spark debates about how far humanity should go. First up, mRNA. Every cell uses messenger RNA as instructions for building proteins. Scientists figured out how to write their own instructions and deliver them safely. Instead of permanent genetic change, it works like a temporary software patch for your cells. This idea hit mainstream attention during pandemic vaccines developed by companies like Moderna and Biotech. But vaccines barely scratched the surface. Researchers are exploring mRNA cancer therapies that train the immune system to recognize tumors.
There it is, the tumor! High spotting team! Now, let's take it down!
Experimental treatments aim to replace missing proteins in rare diseases. Some teams are even studying heart tissue repair after damage. Temporary instructions, huge flexibility, rapid development. That combination makes mRNA one of the hottest tools in modern medicine. Now things get sharper. Gene editing. CRISPR technology allows scientists to cut DNA at precise locations. Remove a mutation, fix a faulty gene, add protective traits. It sounds like sci-fi editing software, except it works on living cells. This leap came from pioneering work by scientists including Jennifer Doudna and Emmanuel Charpentier. Their discoveries turned gene editing from slow laboratory art into something fast, affordable, and incredibly precise.
Clinical trials already show promise for inherited blood disorders, some cancers, and certain forms of blindness.
Diseases once labeled lifelong may become correctable. But here the ethical temperature rises. Editing adult patients treats disease. Editing embryos changes future generations. That shift transforms medicine into something closer to human design. The phrase "designer humans" keeps popping up because the technology edges toward that possibility, even if strict regulations exist today. Speaking of dramatic ideas, consider xenotransplantation. Thousands die yearly waiting for donor organs. Supply simply cannot meet demand. Scientists are now modifying pig organs genetically to make them compatible with humans. Gene editing reduces rejection risks and removes harmful viruses. Experimental heart and kidney transplants have already occurred. Results remain early and cautious, but the potential is enormous. Imagine hospitals with ready-to-use organs instead of waiting lists measured in years. That would rewrite transplant medicine overnight. Then comes personalized medicine, the quieter revolution that might impact the most people. Your genome influences how drugs work, how diseases develop, even how side effects appear. Modern sequencing lets doctors tailor treatments specifically to you. Cancer therapy leads the charge. Tumor DNA guides drug selection, increasing effectiveness while minimizing collateral damage. Medicine stops being generic and starts feeling custom-built. Of course, power invites questions. Regulators like the FDA and global health authorities such as the World Health Organization are working to balance innovation with safety. Long-term genetic effects, accessibility, and ethical boundaries all sit on the table. There's also the inequality concern. Advanced biotech could either democratize healthcare or widen gaps depending on cost, policy, and access. Yet the upside remains breathtaking. Vaccines designed in weeks. Genetic diseases prevented before birth. Organs available on demand. Treatments tuned precisely to your biology. That isn't fantasy anymore. It's emerging reality. Still, biology is complicated. Intervening in living systems sometimes produces surprises. Careful research, long-term monitoring, and transparent ethics discussions are essential. Humanity has reached an unusual chapter. We're not just fighting disease anymore. Increasingly, we're shaping how disease behaves, maybe even whether it appears at all.
Easy now. Guidance systems active. You're clear for launch. Steady ascent. Keep that trajectory stable.
Handled wisely, biotechnology could become one of the greatest health advances in history. Handled recklessly, it could create new dilemmas we're only beginning to imagine. Either way, the biotech revolution has started. And the next few decades may redefine what it means to be healthy, or even what it means to be human.
Stay curious. The story is just getting warmed up.